Hey there, wizards of making extra cash. Welcome back to the Bucks Wizard channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our money-making tips. And for more in-depth strategies, be sure to visit our website at www.buckswizard.com. Today, we've got something special in store for all you beginners out there. 10 profitable online side hustles that'll have your pockets jingling in no time. Segment 1. Freelance writing. Our first side hustle is freelance writing. If you've got a way with words, turn that talent into income by writing articles, blog posts, or even ebooks. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms to kickstart your writing journey. Segment 2. Online tutoring. Next up, online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, share your expertise and earn money by tutoring students online. Websites like Chegg and Tutor.com can connect you with eager learners. Segment 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic option. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This is a win-win for both you and the companies you're promoting. Segment 4. Dropshipping. Ever thought about starting an e-commerce business? Dropshipping might be your calling. Set up an online store and sell products without the hassle of inventory management. Platforms like Shopify can get you started. Segment 5. Content creation. If you're a content creator at heart, platforms like YouTube and TikTok offer incredible opportunities. Create engaging videos, share your passion, and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and more. Segment 6. Online surveys and market research. For those looking for easy and quick ways to earn a few bucks, participating in online surveys and market research can be surprisingly lucrative. Websites like Swagbooks and SurveyJunkie offer these opportunities. Segment 7. Virtual assistants. Businesses and entrepreneurs often need help with tasks like email management, social media, and scheduling. Offering virtual assistant services through platforms like virtualassistantjobs.com can be a profitable venture. Segment 8. Stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, why not monetize your skills? Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your photos to individuals and businesses in need of high-quality visuals. Segment 9. Online course creation. Got expertise in a specific field? Share your knowledge by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to reach a global audience. Segment 10. Ebook publishing. Last but not least, ebook publishing. Write and publish your own ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. It's a great way to establish yourself as an author and earn passive income. And there you have it, fellow Bucks Wizards, 10 profitable online side hustles to get you started on your journey to financial success. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our money-making tips. And for in-depth strategies, head over to our website at www.buckswizard.com. Until next time, keep hustling and keep those bucks rolling in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Bucks Wizard, signing off.